case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark 2018 case Caldera v. Dep't of Corr and Rehab, the courts underscored the severity of workplace disability harassment. The California Court of Appeal upheld a lawsuit brought by Officer Caldera, who accused his superior, Sergeant Grove, of pervasive, severe harassment related to his stutter. Prior to the case reaching the Court of Appeal, Caldera had taken his disability discrimination claim to trial. The jury sided with Caldera, awarding him $500,000 in non-economic damages for the psychological harm he had endured. However, the trial court concluded the award was excessive and called for a new trial to revisit this issue. The defendants, presumably including Sergeant Grove, triggered an appeal process, pleading insufficient evidence to support the jury's findings. Nonetheless, the Court of Appeal overruled the trial court's decision for a new trial and disagreed with the defendants, asserting that substantial evidence supported the jury's determination. According to the appellate court, the trial court had misstepped in accommodating the defendant's summary judgment request since unresolved, material facts remained that necessitated a trial. In the end, the court determined that Caldera had indeed suffered from severe and persistent harassment, which violated his rights under the Americans with Disabilities Act and the Rehabilitation Act. Refuting arguments by defendants that harassment ought to involve extreme behaviors, the court highlighted the severity and pervasiveness of the discriminatory conduct towards Caldera, determining it was actionable. Ultimately, the Court of Appeal reversed the trial court's effort to grant the defendants a new trial for damage reassessment. The ordered damages of $500,000, initially deemed excessive by the lower court, were upheld. Despite some procedurally defective aspects, no new trial was deemed necessary and the judgment was affirmed with Caldera receiving additional costs on appeal. Refuting arguments by defendants that harassment ought to involve extreme behaviors, the court highlighted the severity and pervasiveness of the discriminatory conduct towards Caldera, determining it was actionable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.